Hi everyone, Dave here. It's July, I'm not sure, maybe 15th today. So I'm just out here on Red Indian Lake, second time this year. And it's about 30, just under 30 degrees Celsius today. And as you can see behind me, the lake is flat calm, no wind. It's about 4:45 in the evening, I guess. So yeah, I just figured I'd come out and enjoy some sun. Anyway, I'll share with you. I'm over here at Buchan's Island right now. I've done a few videos in the winter months and whatnot, but as you can see behind me, Buchan's Island, nice sandy beach, very sandy beach. So I'll keep this video short. Just figured I'd share with you guys. I haven't done a video in a while. I got a vegetable garden update to share with you before this one, and I'll get this one up as well. Anyway, as always, take care. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I'm here on the south side of Red Indian Lake. My place is straight across there, about 3 miles. And this is the mouth of Sutherland. There's some big waterfalls. You can't see them from here, but if you walk up you can see them. Some nice waterfalls there. So what I'm hoping to do is do an overnight camping trip with this thing. Come over with the tent and the stove and stuff, and set up probably in that point right there. There's a nice spot where I can right there in that cove I can tie this beast on, and I can do a little bit of exploring here. I'll probably spend at least one night here camping anyway, so it's a camping trip that I'm going to be hoping to do in the next little while. I'll keep you posted on that. And used to be a beaver house up right there, but before the lake gets too low, too shallow to get in here, I want to set up my tent right there. I'll have my tent set up, and lots of driftwood there to have a beach fire, a campfire. So nice beach there. Yeah, this is something I've been planning to do for a number of years, and just last week I said, you know what, I'm going to spend an overnight trip here camping. Take the wave runner. I've got lots of storage space up front there, and I've also got lots behind me. So take my tent and stuff and come over and set up. That's also a nice spot to set up there as well. But either way, trout just breached there. But anyway, stay tuned for an overnight camping trip here with using my wave runner here, and hopefully we get some good footage for you. As always, take care and thanks for watching.